refresh mind, body, everything, right? That's why we have to also take rest 8 hours per day, right? But right, right, yeah. Right, right. Because you are one person, but you did work for three-person of three-person works, right? Single person, single, single man's one army, single, right? Yeah, yeah, I got your point. That is so that kind of so hectic. And right now you are in right track and you got that job. Professor job is a so respectable job also and good job also. And you get also handsome salary. And right now you can do anything, right? Professor, which subject do you teach? Okay, then right. Mm-hmm. Professor, because right now, because you are a guest faculty, that is a good job, right? Because in future you get also collecting experience, knowledge, and you interact with always student. Then that is also good experience. Right now, it is a right time to collect all type of information. All you meet all different category professor and you interact with them. If you appear in future any interview for professor, then definitely you succeed and you crack that exam, right? Because you have knowledge about. That's why student after completing their PG or PhD, they want to join any private or government organization to teach student as a guest faculty, right? After recruitment, yeah, after recruitment they have a knowledge and confidence information and they ready to appear any type of exam, right? And that kind of mindset is different. But if people they never do any kind of job, they never interact with any well educated people or any kind of organization, they maybe they have a less confidence to appear any kind of interview, right? But you have a good experience about everything. Office work you know because you were HR in that organization. Right now you are a professor, you always interact with well educated people and student, then that kind of scenario also required to you, right, for your better future. In between, what did you say? Could you repeat once again? Okay, I told you. Right now can you hear me? Right now can you hear me? Yes, I can. Okay, I told you, right? Right now whatever you are doing, that is a good job. Because if you appear any kind of competitive exam, then you have a good confidence and knowledge about everything, because you always interact with well educated people and student. Then you can learn from them and you build your confidence inner side, right? That information also required for our life, right? Then if you appear in an interview, then you can succeed and you can crack also that exam. any professor exam or
Yes,
any
yes.
kind of competitive exam. But people they think after completing their PhD or PG, they don't want to join any private or any government institute like a guest faculty, right? Because that kind of,
Mm,
because they always think I want to join any government department, handsome salary and direct professor, that kind of. But if you have that kind of knowledge or that kind of opportunity, then everyone should take, right? Guest faculty also good job, because theory you learned theory, but right now you collected practical experience while interact with student and professor, right?
yeah, but it's not,
Hmm.
I don't think it's not sufficient to, uh, if you do anything practically, you can get a knowledge on, gain knowledge on that particular field.
Right.
But teaching is about the theoretical only. So I
Yeah.
don't think students have proper knowledge.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. Theory subject and practical is a both are different, but sometime what happened, we have a theory knowledge, right? If you teach thoroughly that subject, then little bit we get advanced knowledge while teaching with others. Right, because repeat that subject, you know, you studied, but right now you revision that subject. You while teaching with others and student, they asking so many questions, right? Then you reply according to their question and you solve their problem. That is also one type of theoretical practical, theory practical, right? Not only instrument,
Mm.
because
Yes, yes,
yeah, you can understand everything. Hello,
mm.
welcome.
Yeah, it's like a bit more knowledge to me. So you're right. By this also, we are getting the knowledge, some practical knowledge by interacting with the people.
Right, right,
Mm. And it's not only for a job. If you are trying for a competitive or something, apart from that, if you do some like something in your future, that would be helpful because you get some about the people, how they are, and also if you get in a contact with them, then you can uh, do other things also.
right, right, right. That's why we have to connect with any type of work. Not we should not no, because keep silent long time after completing our
Yeah,
graduation, right? We should connect with
that's
any organization, any work. We never think about that job is a small or big, right? We should not think
yes,
about it, because we take that job as a opportunity. Then slowly we can learn so many things, right? Otherwise,
yes, yes.
yeah, that's why this day, you know, means unemployed youth are increasing day by day, day in day out in India, right? Because of
Yes.
well educated are so high in India, but they always think who are unemployed, well educated are unemployed, they well educated people increasing unemployed youth, because they always they have a PhD, they are PhD holder, they are means technical holder, PhD, MTech, MPhil, and they don't want to do job as a clerical job. They want to do in high salary package, handsome salary. They always need that kind of. They have a expectation to get a handsome salary, right? That's why they don't ready to
Mm.
do any kind of job. That is a big issue in India.
Yeah.
Well, otherwise, even though you see illiterate unemployed, they illiterate unemployed, they don't have miss time to get so many work, right? They have so many work on their hand, but they never get time to work in multitask work.